Hi, welcome to this edition of Talking Trees. I'm RJ Laverne with the Davey Tree Company, and today we're going to explore the fascinating but sometimes confusing world of trees and the law. We frequently get questions from property owners wondering what their rights are when tree branches or tree roots extend over property lines. So, to answer that question, let's go take a look at some trees. Let's assume that my measuring stick here is right on the property line. That would mean that this tree is fully on the property of the Smiths. Does that mean that the Joneses cannot do anything to this tree? Well, in this particular state, the law is written so that the Joneses could remove the branches or the roots all the way back to the property line. But in a lot of cases, it's not quite that clear cut. If removing the roots or the branches causes the tree to become unstable and become a hazard, or if it causes the tree to go into decline and die, then the Joneses have overstepped their legal rights. Well, what's the solution then? Well, with good communication between the Joneses and the Smiths, maybe there's some flexibility in where to place the pool or the patio, in which case the tree can be preserved. Or maybe the Jones and the Smiths could agree that the tree could be removed, and maybe the Jones would pay for a new tree to be planted on the Smiths' property. The key there again is good communication between the property owners, and it's always good advice to bring in a qualified arborist who can speak to the health and the structural integrities of the tree and provide some creative solutions. Next, let's look at a unique situation where the property line goes right through the base of the tree and what that means from a legal standpoint. In most states, the law is written so that when a tree straddles a property line, it means that both property owners own this as shared property. What does that mean from a legal standpoint? Well, that means that this tree can't be removed or any significant maintenance done on the tree without the mutual agreement between the property owners. Once again, that points to the importance of having good communication between neighbors. In most cases, legal issues involving trees and property lines can easily be solved between neighbors, simply when they talk to one another, and in a lot of cases when they bring in a qualified professional arborist to give them solid advice on how to take care of their trees and look for creative solutions when there are conflicts. Well, I hope this discussion of trees and legal issues has given you some good insight as to how to handle taking care of your trees when they're close to property lines. Thanks for joining us on this edition of Talking Trees. I'm RJ Laverne with the Davey Tree Company. Join us next time when we'll talk more about trees.